Welcome to the CSP tutorial part 4, which is scallops, and later today you'll also see shields. So, I'm trying something different, so tell me if you like it. I'm trying a different, camera. I'm gonna see if I can work, because I might be able to get this camera to work with the editor. So, for scallops, on the bottom, it's pretty simple. You start with this edge and you go clockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you start with this corner and go clockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first case is scallop, scallop. The even alg is switching parity. So if you get even, then you're gonna put the scallops on the left or something, or the right, doesn't really matter. And you're gonna switch the parity by doing a slice move. And then you're gonna finish by doing scallop, scallop. Where the odd alg is just doing scallop, scallop normally. Next case is Scallops shield. So for this case, the even alg is going to also be switching parity first, and then you're gonna bring one pair down, move this pair over, bring it up to pair it up. So the even alg is switch the parity, and then do that, and then you get a scallop, scallop. Where the odd alg is you just do that part. You don't switch the parity. It doesn't matter which one's which, but so if the pawn is, it doesn't matter which pawn it is. So and if you get even, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna preserve the scallop, and pair it up with this L like that, and then finish by making scallop kite like that. And the odd alg is you're going to preserve the pawn and break up the scallop like that, and then make scallop kite like that. And that's for both pawns. So just to show the other one, for the even alg, you're going to break up this L by bringing up the scallop and pairing it up with the L like that, and then scallop kite from there. And then the odd alg is breaking up the scallop down here like that. Next case are the fists. For both fists, it's the same. So if it's even, what you're going to do is for both fists, you're going to pair up the scallop with this L. But if it's even, you're going to pair it up so that this pair is in the middle of the slice. So it's not here, it's not in the front or back, it's in the middle, like that. So you're going to pair it up like that, and then do scallop kite. And if it's odd, what you're going to do is you're going to move them like that, and then you're going to pair up the scallop with the L up here, so that this pair is in the front, like that. And then you have scallop kite. For the next case, if it's even, you're going to bring up the scallop so that the pair is in the middle, like that. And if it's odd, you're going to pair up the scallop and the L so that the pair is in the back. Okay. The last case is muffin scallop. So how this is going to work is you're going to so this one's a little bit has kind of a lot to it. So if it's even, what you're going to do is you're going to have the muffin in front, and you're going to have the scallop on the right in the bottom here, on the right side, so when you slice it's going to bring it up, and you're going to bring it up, and then you're going to move this over there, and then pair it up so it's scallop kite. And then if it's odd, you're going to do the same thing, except you're going to put it in back like this. So bring up the scallop, do a D move, and then pair it up so it's scallop kite. Now the mirror is a little bit different. So so when you're doing it here, you're pairing up the scallop with the line like that. So if it's even, for the mirror, you're going to have the scallop be, or the muffin be in front. And then you're going to bring up the line and then pair it up like that. And if it's in back, again, you're going to bring up the line and then do a D and pair it up like that. So that's how you do Scallop, and Shield will be released later, a little bit later today. So yeah, that's Scallop. And next week, I'm not really sure what we'll be doing next week, but it'll be interesting.